In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find folders in Apple Notes. First, let's start by opening the Notes app on your iPhone or iPad. You can find the Notes app icon on your home screen. It looks like a yellow notepad with a white background. Tapping on it will launch the app. Once it opens, you may see your recent notes or the last folder you were in. This is the starting point for navigating through your notes. Remember, getting familiar with the layout of the app will help you find what you need more quickly in the future. Next, you will want to tap the back button until you reach the Folders screen. The back button is usually located at the top left corner of your screen. Each tap on this button will take you one step back in your navigation. It's essential to reach the Folders screen because that is where all your folders are organized. This action helps you maintain an efficient workflow, allowing you to access different notes quickly. Once you reach the Folders screen, you will notice a clearer view of all your folders. Now it's time to browse the list of folders. You will see categories such as iCloud, On My iPhone, or any other accounts you have linked. Each folder contains notes that you have saved. This visual organization is crucial because it allows you to keep related notes grouped together. For instance, if you have a folder for work-related notes and another for personal tasks, you can navigate them easily from this list. Take your time to familiarize yourself with this layout, as it will save you time in the long run. After that, you can tap a folder to view the notes it contains. Once you select a folder, you will see all the notes saved within it displayed in a list format. This is where you can find specific notes you might be looking for. Each folder serves as a collection, making it easier to locate your notes without having to scroll through everything. This step is vital as it gives you access to your organized thoughts and tasks, helping you stay on top of everything. It's important to note that Apple Notes does not currently let you search for folder names directly. This means you must navigate from the folder screen to find them. While this may seem like an extra step, navigating through folders helps you engage with your content more deeply. Knowing that you can always backtrack to the folder screen makes it easier to explore your notes in a structured way. Once you have selected your desired folder, you can begin working with the notes inside. This could involve editing, sharing, or even deleting notes as needed. The organization into folders allows you to manage your tasks or thoughts effectively. You will appreciate how this structure keeps your notes from becoming overwhelming. In conclusion, navigating the Notes app may seem simple, but understanding how to find folders efficiently is crucial. By following these steps, you will enhance your productivity and ensure your notes are well organized. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you use the app, the more intuitive these steps will become. Happy note-taking!